Good morning, student. Today we will study kinetic energy. Last class we have already discussed about potential energy. Only I will make you remember that what is potential energy. After that we will discuss kinetic energy. Potential, as I have told you that the symbol of potential energy is Q. Potential energy is energy possessed by an object at rest. Likewise, when we go through kinetic energy, kinetic energy it is a type of energy or form of energy possessed by an object when it is in motion. It means energy possessed by a moving object. Consider an example. A vehicle is moving from position P1 to position P2. During the time of movement, when it is in motion, then it possesses some kinetic energy. Okay? Now, consider another example. When I pelter a stone, this is the ground. Okay. When I will pelter a stone from the ground to above, during its flight, it has some kinetic energy. From this to this. Again, it will fall apart sometime. Likewise, during its flight, the stone has potential energy, kinetic energy. Any object in the world, in the universe, during their motion, they have kinetic energy. Okay? Are you clear? Another example is there in the book. When I want to fix a nail. When I want to fix a nail, suppose it is a wall. Okay, wooden block. If I have to fix a nail, if I have to fix a nail, then I have to apply some force in a hammer. Okay, by using a hammer, I will fix a nail. During the motion of hammer, it has some kinetic energy. Okay, that kinetic energy gives pressure to the nail and it will fix in a wall. Okay. Another example is there when we pelter a stone to a moving train. Okay. If it strikes to a train, okay, this is a moving train. If I pelter a stone, if it strikes to a window, then it will break the window. Okay. If I pelter a stone, the moving train, and if it hit the window will broken down. This is only and only due to kinetic energy. Again, consider another example. When we fire a blade from gun, okay? When we fire a blade from gun, during the flight of the blade, bullet has some kinetic energy. Okay? Bullet has some kinetic energy. So again, I am remembering you that kinetic energy is a energy possessed by a object during its motion. Okay? Energy, kinetic energy. Again, I am telling you that Ke is the symbol of kinetic energy. Again, we can represent in capital K. Ke is a symbol of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy possessed by a moving object. When object is in motion, at that time it has some kinetic energy. Are you clear? Now we will study conservation of potential energy into kinetic energy. This is a very good concept. Conservation of potential energy into kinetic energy. Before going to that, we have to study factor affecting Ke. It means kinetic energy. I have already told you. This is the short form, and again it have represented in your book also. Ke means kinetic energy. Okay. So factor. What are the factors affecting kinetic energy? It's velocity or speed. Velocity or speed affect the kinetic energy. What is velocity? You have studied in your second chapter, I think, that is in motion. That velocity means displacement with respect to time. Okay. And speed means distance upon time. Means if I cover certain distance in a certain time, then the average will be speed. Okay. Are you clear from that? Clear what is velocity and speed? Now, when a moving object have higher velocity. Okay. If a moving object have higher velocity, consider it is a bullet. When I fire, it has higher velocity. Due to that, it penetrates wooden block up to 9 mm, 10 mm. Okay. Why? Because when I fire a gun, it has the bullet of the gun have higher kinetic energy. From that we can write that higher the velocity or speed, higher the kinetic energy. Again, I am telling you that Ke is symbol of kinetic energy. Do not get confused with it. Okay. Now, the second factor which affect the kinetic energy, please note it down. Mass of the body. Mass of the body. I have told you that what is mass. Mass means amount of matter present in a object. Okay. When object have higher mass, then it will have higher kinetic energy. Okay. When an object have higher mass, then it will have higher kinetic energy. So likewise, we can write that higher the mass, higher the kinetic energy. Okay. Are you clear from that? This energy. Now we will study conservation of potential energy into kinetic energy. Okay. If I factor a stone above the ground, then the part of the stone is just like that. I am standing here. Okay, I factor a stone up to some height. At that time, the stone will move like that. After reaching a certain height, okay, after reaching certain height, it is again come down, okay. Why? When I factor a stone, at that time it has some kinetic energy, okay. The kinetic energy get decreased when height is increased, and that same amount of kinetic energy get converted into potential energy, okay. It means when I factor a stone, at that time kinetic energy is high, okay, and potential energy is low. But when height increases, we have already studied that when height increases, then potential energy increases. So when height increases, potential energy increases and kinetic energy decreases. After certain limit, okay, after certain height, the kinetic energy of that moving object will be 0, okay, and potential energy of that moving object will be higher. Again, after that, the kinetic energy and potential energy will get converted into kinetic energy and it will fall down. There are several examples in your book. One of that is a wounded of spring. Okay. In a watch like this, mechanical watch, there is a wounded of spring. Okay. This is a wounded of spring. When it is wounded of, okay. And this is a free spring. Relax, free spring. Okay. When it is wounded out, it is puts some potential energy. Okay. When it gets free from there, at that time it expands and the same amount of potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. Okay. Another example is that hammer. Okay. When I want to fix a nail in the wall, at that time when I strike hammer in the nail, during the motion of the hammer, it has some kinetic energy. Okay. Let's see. When I do like that, at that time it has some potential energy, and when it is in motion, at that time the potential energy get converted into kinetic energy, and we can fix a nail in the wall. Okay. One of the, there is another example also. You may have seen a bow like this. Consider this is a bow. So I will draw it. Okay. This is a bow. If I stress the string of the bow, okay. If I stress the string of the bow, this is a arrow. If I stress a string of the bow. At that time, the spring of the bow stored some potential energy. Stored some potential energy. Okay. When I release the spring, at that time, the same amount of potential energy, get converted into the kinetic energy, and it takes the arrow like that up to certain distance. Okay. Another example of the same is that when I squeeze a spring. Okay. When I squeeze a spring, at that time there is a certain amount of potential energy. Okay. When I relax it slowly, at that time the potential energy of that spring decreases and the same amount of kinetic energy form. Okay. It means potential energy change. Potential and I am using symbol. Okay. Potential energy changes to kinetic energy. Okay. These are the symbol. U is the symbol of potential energy and K is the symbol of kinetic energy. Today we have learned what is kinetic energy, factor affecting kinetic energy, and how potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Okay. Thank you. This is all about today's class. Yes, there is a homework for you. Please. Your homework is write down the difference between kinetic energy and potential energy. If there is a, your homework is write down the difference between kinetic energy and potential energy. Thank you.